Good morning, students. So we are discussing the model test paper number 3, and today it is the turn of section C. Section C, you know very well that it's the grammar section, and in grammar section you have the first question is your editing, means error finding. The second is your sentence rearranging, and the third one is your questions or the blanks that are based on the topic of the grammar that has been meant for you people. So let us see what is there in the passage that has been given for editing. You have to underline the mistake and write the correction in the space provided. So I have made underline for you people so that you may not feel any difficulty, and the answers are also written in the PDF so that you can do them. Let's discuss them. John Milton is a second greatest name in English poetry. He was born at London. He was famous in honesty and force of character. He had a thirst after knowledge. He was too studious that he never. So the mistakes I have underlined for you. So John Milton is the second greatest name. The second greatest name in English poetry. He was born in London, and he was famous for honesty. He was famous for honesty and force of character. He had a thirst for knowledge. He had a thirst for knowledge. He was so studious that he never. So these are the correction that I have told you. You write them in the space provided that has been given to you. Though also I have also written C, but it is less visible. But even then you have heard the answers. In place of it is the, at, in for, after for, and to it is so. So these are the answers that I have written. So now the second one is your sentence rearranging. Means you have to give an order to the words that has been given to us. A proper order you have to give so that you can make a meaningful sentence. Let us see. First one. Promised a reward him I. Promised a reward him I. So I have promised him a reward. I have promised him a reward. Second one. Tells my grandmother me stories. My grandmother tells me stories. Third one. The cook her a meal. The cook her meal. One more word is there. Let me minimize. The last word is cooked. The cook cooked her a meal. The cook cooked her a meal. See the next one. Are going they to bazaar the, and question mark is also there. So are they going to bazaar? Are they going to the bazaar? Sorry. Are they going to the bazaar, and the question mark. If question mark is not there, then simple we can write they are going to the bazaar. But the question mark is there, means we have to make the interrogative sentence, and it is are they going to the bazaar. And the last one. Faced difficulties many year last we. Last year we faced many difficulties. Last year we faced many difficulties. Okay. Now the next one. You have to make the noun from the following verbs. Verbs has been given to you and you have to make the noun. The first one is protect and the answer is protection. Some I am telling you, others you find out. Try to find. Most of them are in your book. Contribute, then it is contribution. Die, death. Unite, union. Achieve, achievement. Choose, choice. So these 6 you have to do. Protection, contribution, death, union, achievement, choice. Fine. Now see the next question. The next question that I have brought for you people today is sentence simple, compound and complex. So you know very well that in a simple sentence there is one subject and one predicate. In a compound sentence, 2 equally important clauses are there, and in the third one, that is your complex sentence, one is principal and the another is subordinate clause. So let us see. First one, I have learnt many lessons from the book of life. I have learnt many lessons from the book of life. So it's very clear, it's a simple sentence, one subject and one predicate. When you are tired, you may take rest. It's complex. I told him why I didn't like his ways. Also complex. He tried but he failed. It's a compound sentence. So today it is complete. The grammar section we have discussed, and tomorrow we shall discuss your writing section. Your literature section, that is your section D. So all of you solve these sections in your notebook and submit the PDF to me. So bye students.